हेलो बच्चों, टुडे वी लर्न अबाउट essay on golf sport. Essay on golf sport. Golf is an outdoor game. Golf is an outdoor game in which golf is an outdoor game in which players use specially designed clubs to propel a small hard. Golf is an outdoor game in which players use specially designed clubs to propel a small hard ball over a field of a play known as a course. Or links. The object of the game is to advance the ball around the course. Using a few strokes as possible. Golf is very popular sport throughout the world. ये हो गया हमारा शॉर्ट एसे ऑन गोल्फ स्पोर्ट. थैंक यू.